Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my Christmas by the Church box card. How fun and detailed is that? You have that pretty church in the background. I love all the twinkling stars. You're walking down the street. You have the fun street lights there, the pretty tree, and that cute little snowman there in the front. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There is a spot on the back for your message. And of course, I include an envelope as well. Now this card is really simple to put together, just like all of my box cards really, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go ahead and take a look at our materials and get started. Okay, for today's project, we're going to need our CRICUT cutting machine, our standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your brayer, your weeding tool, your scraper, adhesive and glue, and your cardstock. Now that we know which materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and start with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2024. If you're watching this video when the project debuted, you can go to the event page and download the cut file there. If you have a VIP access pass, the download button will be below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has concluded, you can find the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to the entire event, as well as printable worksheets, commercial licensing, as well as bonus cut files, head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HJJ24. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon right here to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. Click on that icon. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines for our outside box piece. Just like that. I'll set that to the side for just a minute. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the cover panel and then the messaging panel. Alright, once that is done, let's go ahead and flip the outside box piece over, and you're going to attach this piece to the back of the card. There we go. Let's set that to the side. Alright, now it's time to go ahead and layer the inside tab piece together. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. All we're going to do is layer the blue piece on top of the yellow piece. Before I do that, I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines. And there we go. Let's set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, I have that layering guide for you to check out, but from back to front, we're going to start with the light yellow, blue, gray. There's a little red piece that's going to go on top of the gray, and then the white piece. And there is our cute front cover panel. Now let's take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab. Place that here on the left side. I'm going to line up the bottom and then this right side along that score line. And then repeat that for the other side. That looks good. And now I'm going to add glue to this left front tab. Take the front cover panel and attach that to the front. Again, making sure that I'm lining up the edges. And then repeat that for the other side. And there is our box card. I will set that to the side so that everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Go ahead and flip the inlay over and place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun was this card? I changed the style up of the church a little bit. It's pretty ornate. I really like it. I hope that you like it too. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.